Air fryers are everywhere right now. But here's the problem. Most people buy one, use it for a week, and then it just sits there. Why? Because they picked the wrong one. In this video, you'll see what people get wrong and the 5 air fryers actually worth buying. Quick heads up, this channel is all about helping you buy smarter, not more expensive. If that sounds useful, consider subscribing. Let's start with the mistakes, because avoiding these is what leads you to the right air fryer. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong size. This is where most people go wrong. A small air fryer sounds fine until you have to cook in multiple batches. A large one sounds better until it takes up too much space. Better approach: choose based on how many people you cook for daily and how much kitchen space you actually have. Mistake number 2, ignoring cooking performance. Not all air fryers give the same result. Some cook evenly and get food crispy. Others leave food uneven or soft. What matters? Good airflow, stable temperature, and enough power. This is what makes the real difference. Mistake number 3, buying based only on price. Cheaper models can look tempting, but they often cut corners in performance and durability. Better approach: look for something that gives you consistent results over time. Mistake number 4, not thinking about cleaning. This gets ignored before buying and regret it afterwards. If it's hard to clean, you'll slowly stop using it. Look for simple basket design and easy to clean surfaces. Mistake number 5, overcomplicating or oversimplifying features. Too many buttons can feel confusing. Too few can feel limiting. What works best? Controls that are simple but still give you flexibility. So before you buy an air fryer, keep it simple. Focus on the right size, reliable performance, easy cleaning, practical features. Get these right and you'll enjoy using it every day. So instead of guessing, we looked at air fryers that solve these exact problems. Whether you want something compact, powerful, or more versatile, you'll find all of them linked in the description. Kicking off the list, the Toshiba Chef-Fry Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo delivers serious versatility for the price. It features 1500 watts, a 26.4 QD capacity, and a sleek stainless steel design with an LED display. Compared to higher-ranked models, this one focuses on value and multifunction cooking. You get 12-in-1 versatility, including air fry, bake, toast, roast, broil, dehydrate, and more. The Super Chef-Fry Air Fry Tech uses up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air for crispy results with less oil. Customers find this countertop oven performs well as a multifunction appliance, with the air fryer function working particularly well. The oven is easy to use and looks great on the countertop. Best for families wanting an all-in-one cooking solution on a budget. Check the links below for current pricing and availability. Up next, the Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer steps in with speed and efficiency. It features a 6-quart capacity, 13.2 pounds weight, and a metal build with ceramic coating. Unlike number 5, this one focuses on compact size and faster air frying performance instead of full oven versatility. The TurboBlaze technology delivers up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit heat with a powerful fan for crispy, juicy results. You also get 9 cooking functions. Its ceramic-coated basket is non-stick, durable, and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Operating at under 53 dB, it keeps things quieter than many competitors. Customers find this air fryer to be a high-quality kitchen appliance that's easy to clean and use. Best for small families or solo users wanting fast, quiet cooking. Check the links below for pricing and availability. Now things get interesting with the Ramswy French door air fryer oven. It features a 26 QD capacity, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and a multi-accessory setup with rotisserie kit and more. Unlike number 4, this model offers larger capacity and oven-style flexibility instead of compact speed. You get 24 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and ferment. The French door design opens easily and lets you monitor food with the interior light. It fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or a 6-pound chicken, making it great for families. Customers find the air fryer performs well, and they appreciate its ease of use and good size. The temperature control receives mixed feedback. While some say it cooks at the right temperature and reaches temperature quickly, others report it doesn't get hot enough. Best for families wanting maximum cooking variety. Check the links below for pricing and availability. But here's where it gets better. The Emerald Lagasse French door air fryer combo steps up with premium design and performance. It weighs 26.5 pounds and features a 26 QD capacity, stainless steel exterior, and a spacious interior for family meals. Unlike number 3, this one delivers a more refined build and better cooking consistency. The dual-speed fan with 360 degrees air circulation ensures crispy results. You get 24 cooking functions. The auto shut-off toast feature prevents burning and simplifies daily use. Customers find the air fryer performs well and appreciate its ease of use, particularly for lunch preparation. They find it easy to clean and worth the price. While some customers love the size, others mention the rotisserie spit is too small. Best for families wanting a premium countertop oven experience. Check the links below for pricing and availability. And finally, the top spot goes to the Ninja DZ201 Footy. This air fryer stands out with its smart dual-zone design and fast performance. It features 8 QT capacity, 17.9 pounds weight, dual baskets, and a 1-year warranty. Unlike number 2, this one focuses on cooking 2 foods at once instead of oven-style versatility. With 2 independent 4 QT baskets, you can air fry, roast, or reheat different meals simultaneously. The Smart Finish feature ensures both foods are ready at the same time, while Match Cook lets you copy settings across zones. You also get 6-in-1 functionality and a 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit range for full cooking control. Each basket has its own heater and fan for consistent results. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates. Customers find this air fryer performs excellently, making meal preparation easy and quick. Best for families, meal preppers, or anyone who wants faster meals without waiting. Check the links below for current pricing and availability. Now I'm curious, which air fryer will you pick? Drop it in the comments. Next, watch this 5 best food processors for US kitchen.